Hi, myself Sarpanit Reddy. My registration number is 01562991. This is my lab experiment in Java, and the aim of the experiment is to write a Java program using exceptional handling conditions. Here I have here we need to create an program for the ATM operations that are done in a ATM. So here I have created the interface called pin to check the pin of the ATM. Whenever we try to perform any action in the ATM, first we need to enter the pin. So for entering the pin, here I used an interface called pin. Inside that I have declared given the statement to take pin as the input. Here I have created a class which implements the pin, and when the pin is 4572, then they continues for the next operations. If the pin is wrong, then the output will be like wrong pin. And first the basic amount in the ATM is in the account was 1000 rupees, and if pin length is equal to 4, then pin equals to pin. If the pin length exceeds more than 4, then it goes it is considered as the wrong pin. Next, this for withdrawal, this method is created for withdrawal and withdrawing amount. If the withdrawal amount is more than the amount present in the account, then it will throw an exception as balance is low, and it will show the current balance and updated balance. If this is the method for to deposit the current balance, here I have passed an argument called deposit. Whenever we need to pass add amount into the account, it goes here and it calls this statement. Basically, if you want to withdraw amount, there should be amount present in your account, and this is public class. Here main function. This here I have given the input to the user, menu driven input to the user for the various operations that are performed in the ATM. If the user performs more than 3 trials, then they will throw an exception as number of trials is 0. And when the password is correct, when the user enters the correct password, then you will be able to access the operations for the depositing and withdrawing the amount in an ATM. So the program continues like this. For that, I have used a switch case here for switching between the two cases. One is for withdrawing and one for depositing. And at last, here comes the catch block, where catch the exception that are thrown up over there. And let me run the program. It's asking me for password 4172. First we need to deposit some amount. The minimum amount that to be maintained in the account is 1000. When I add some amount to the bank, so the current balance is 1000. The updated balance after depositing 500 rupees cash is 1500. Now enter the password and let me withdraw. The amount which I gave here is more than the current amount that is available in my balance, so it's showing that balance is low. Now let me enter some other password. Now when the pin exceeds more than 4 digits, then it automatically considered as the wrong pin, and program exits. Thank you.